In this video, we are going to show you how to avail discounts for your EchoTik subscription. Now, if you go to our description, there's going to be a link there, and you need to click on it to bring you to this page right here. So this is going to be the EchoTik live dashboard, where it's pretty much the same thing as other similar products. You have your AI agent search bar here. You have fright influencers, hot topics, hot shops, AI operation, and then on your left hand side is pretty much your main sidebar, right? But if you want to get the discount, right, and do take note that discounts are randomized and sometimes they're not guaranteed on if they're actually going to take or if they're going to be a good amount. So regardless of that, if you want to get the discount, you want to look at the upper right corner of the screen right here that says sign up. So click on the sign up button. You're going to be brought to the sign up page right here. So you can go with your Google account or your WeChat. It's much better to go with your email. Just manually do it so that you can avail the invite code, which is this, and then click sign up. After that, you will get a random discount. And again, it's RNG. Hopefully you get a good one. And after that, you will be good to go. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.